everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on to share with you two more nice DIYs using items from the dollar store and more. So we have our letter S here, and I'm just painting it with some white paint all over. Okay, here's our letter S all dry. I used 2 coats of the white paint. So now I'm going to add some of this blue glam chain here, going right around the outside of our letter S, and I'll be using some E6000 to lay it going right around. Okay, so now our chain is all down, going right around and all dry. So I'll be using some of these blings I got from Totally Dazzled. Aren't these nice? The seashell, the hearts, and all the good stuff. So we're just gonna lay them down where we want to place them on our letter S. And now I'm just gonna use some hot glue and glue down each of our gems. And now I'll be adding some square mirror pieces. And they come with some self-adhesive stickers on the back, so we're just going to take them off and then add them down to our letter S. Now I'll be gluing down one of our crowns, our little small crowns in the package that I got from Totally Dazzled. Doesn't that look nice? I'm just going to hold it down, give the glue time to dry. Now I'm going to be using this piece of round foam, and I dug a piece of hole in it. I got the foam from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be using some of this bling sheet to wrap going right around the outside of our circle of foam. We're using it for the base for our letter S candle holder. And all the items that I'm using today will be listed down below in my description box. On some devices it says show more, on some there's just a little arrow going down. So now I'm going to be adding some of this white glitter on the top part of our foam using some Mod Podge. Just so it doesn't look, you know how the foam has these little holes in it? Just to give it a nice appearance, I'm adding the glitter. Okay, so now our glitter is all dry. So I'm going to be taking our S and the base here. See where I have the little dent? We're going to place our S into that little dent, and I'm just using some hot glue. And I'm just going to hold it in place a bit, let the glue dry. And it does need a little extra support, so I'm just going to use one of these little square pieces from our building blocks from the Dollar Tree to give it a little extra support to hold up the letter S. So now I'm just going to take the plastic off of our mirrored pieces. And now I have one of these candle holders from the Dollar Tree, which I placed a little mirrored piece in front, and we're just going to add the 2 pieces together. And here is our finished look. Doesn't that look nice and cute? A letter S candle holder. I love the crown on top. And all the little bling pieces from Totally Dazzled. Don't they look nice? And our little tea light candle holder. Doesn't it look nice? I love how it looks. You know, it's your initial. Any letter that you want for your name or any special saying that you have, you could use that letter and make a lovely candle holder. Now on to DIY number 2. So we have our letter E this time, and I'll be using some of this silver paint and painting our letter all over. Now our letter E is all dry. And I'll be using some of this silver chain going right around using some E6000. And it's all done now, so we're using these gems to decorate the letter E. And now I have these mirrored pieces here that I'll be adding to our letter E. So now I'm just going to glue down each of our shapes to our letter E using some hot glue. And now the mirrored pieces, I have the peel and stick on the back. So I'm just going to remove those and add them to our letter E. Now I'm going to remove the protective piece of plastic over the mirrors because I'm going to add a little gem to each of our mirrors in the center using some hot glue. And here is our finished look. This time I used some of our command strips and put the letter E on the wall. Doesn't it look nice? I like how it turned out using dollar store items and more. You can make your letters and hang them on the wall, or you can put them onto a base like I did. You could use the letters by itself or put a candle in front and make it a candle holder like I did with the letter S. And here is both our pieces together. I think they turned out nice and easy. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. And I hope you will give me a thumbs up for today's 2 quick and easy DIYs using dollar store items and more. Alright everyone, remember as always to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.